YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. Today, I'm finally wiring up these Puddle lights for the SRT Magnum. If y'all don't remember, I got Chrysler 300 door panels in my Dodge Magnum, and they came with Puddle lights. You know, the Chrysler came more features. You know what I'm saying? So they came with Puddle lights. So I bought some Puddle lights, plug and play. Well, not really plug and play. They push right in at the same spot the Chrysler 300 door panels are. Push right in, and then basically I wired them up. Let y'all go see this right quick. And today I'm just wiring up right now, man. So matter of fact, hold on, right here. Got the door panel off. So Chrysler 300, man. You got this spot right here. So I got these probably off of eBay or Amazon. I can't exactly remember because it's been so long ago. But they is plug and play, number one. So you just basically pop the old ones out. Hold on. Pop the old ones out, the old lens that was right here. Pop these in. Use the same plug. See, I went to the junkyard and grabbed this plug right here. Then I had to figure out which one was the power and the negative. Once I found that out, wired it up. Like I said, I got my old videos. Y'all go check that out. So wired it up. Power, negative. Got my long power wire because I know I needed to hook it up to something maybe far, because you know the Dodge Magnum don't have any lights on the bottom of the car. They don't have no lights down here. They don't have no lights down here. Yeah, y'all see I got the glove box out. They have no lights under here. All the lights of the car are up here. So I'm thinking like, man, I'm gonna have to really wire this to this light up here, man. That means I gotta feed everything through, blah, 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 blah. But I'll try to wire it to this door jar. So every time the door open, it'd be good. Come to find out, which I did, which I ain't, these 4 wires that's going to this plug for this door jar, all of them are negative wire, so they was not lighting up. So damn, I still had to think. So what did I do? I go in my glove box, right? Go in my glove box. Hold on, 7. So I'm looking for like an interior light. Maybe I was gonna wire it up to the what's that called? To one of these amps. These fuse boxes, you know what I'm saying, for the interior lights. And as I was going through here, guess what I found? As I was going through here, I flipped this page over. So this is the last of the fuse box, and I was seeing replacement light bulbs, right? So I'm just reading, just in case see any lights anywhere I don't know that's blown out, just can't see. Say glove box light. I'm like, oh shit, I got a glove box light, and let me go look. So I go look. I'm looking. Can't find it. Literally can't find a light. Why the fuck I got a glove box light for? So I go Google Chrysler 300, and yes, they got a glove box light that supposed to go right here. It's a button. So the glove box come up, a button, a little light pop on right here. So I look to see if I had a wire. Come to find out, I do have the fucking wire, man, which is right here, man. You feel me? So as y'all can see, I already spliced into it. Super happy right now, man. The negative wire yellow, negative wire black and green. And I got my fucking light to work. Bam. So how I'm gonna wire it up now, as y'all seen the door panels, I was gonna go through the door and come through here, but the reason why I can't do that is, let me show you on the other side. The reason why I can't do that is because there's no room, or even for me to guide it through back here. My arm can't fit way back here. There's nothing I can do to guide this through all the way up here and through here. Then, all right, still not done yet. Then when I get here, it's a little opening, right? It goes in here like that. There's no holes, but there's a small little hole I can kind of get through and here my finger at. So you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna punch a hole through here, take this wire coming out of here. It's not gonna do anything because I did this on my Escalade. Okay, so punch a little hole through here, running wire through here, push it through there, down here. It's gonna come out right here. You know what I'm saying? If y'all can see, it's gonna come out right here. It's a little wire, it's like plastic back here. So this the same plug that I'm touching right here. It's this right here. So some wire, everything up through here. I don't need this long ass wire no more, which is good. So always make long wires so you can cut later. Because otherwise, adding wires just make it look tacky. And what I'm gonna do is on the driver's side, wire everything up. It's gonna go everything up. Gonna go up under here, feed it through here, and then wire everything up to this plug. So every time I open my door, and this power is always on. It's always on. All right, so like I said, it's glove box. It's connected to your interior lights, and this power is always on. So we shouldn't have to worry about anything, because they did shut off. As I remember, they shut off. So this is your interior light though. So every time you open the door, for sure, your puddle light's gonna pop on, man. So when I'm done with all this, y'all gonna see. All right, YouTube, we back. See, got the wires ran. Boom. Got these wires ran over here, all through the door, back here and through the kick panel. Same thing from the driver's side. Oh, and I buttoned all that up already, but you see that running through. Man, and what I used to feed it through was this little stick right here. You know what I mean? Tape the wires to this, basically just feed this through to the other side. You know what I mean? But yeah, we almost done, man. All I gotta do is hook these wires together. We'll cut some of these wires down, wire the reds up, wire the blacks up, then wire it up to the plug up under here, right there, and we good to go. Also, I found the same plug on the driver's side, but that didn't have no power, man. So it's probably got a Chrysler 300, or maybe in a Charger. You may be able to use that plug, so you ain't gotta feed it all the way to this side of the car. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go do that when y'all if y'all want to install any lights to y'all car. You know what I'm saying? So wire this up. Then I'm gonna show you how it look like with the SRT lights on, man. Puddle lights, you feel me? Yeah. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna show y'all real quick how I wire wires together. I would not do this the same way when I hook these up to here, because of how skinny these wires are. So these wires are skinny, so I'm not gonna do the same thing as that I'm gonna do right here. So what I do is, see if I can focus up. Just don't want to focus. All right, so what I do is I'm gonna take the positives on this side, I'm gonna tap it into here. Now, I'm not gonna wrap it around, I'm gonna make sure it's secure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little pick I got, and I'm gonna separate the wires right in the middle, Open a hole in the middle. So let me show you what I'm doing that right now. All right, I made the hole. So I'm gonna take that other wire, positive wire, I'm gonna take that through the middle, then wrap it around. Then put black electrical tape all around it. Then we got a good connection. So like I said, I can't do this with one hand holding the camera, blah, 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 blah. Maybe I can, but this is what I'm gonna do. All right. Hold on right quick. All right, put it through. Bam, just like that. Then I'm gonna fold it around. Like I said, I'm doing it with one hand though, but let me fold this around so you can see how it look. All right, so this is how I did it. Went to the middle, then I folded around. That ain't going nowhere. That ain't coming loose, that ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna do the same thing with the black wire, but I'm not gonna show that on camera. But this is some little trick I learned. This is how you wire wires up together besides other things, you know what I'm saying? This is how I do it. Put some black tape on it. And make sure you leave, got slack in here too. And make sure you wanna push these back also, because I still got to put my glove box in here. You don't want that to interfere, rip nothing out. But this is how you do it, man. All right, see it's taped up. Gotta focus. Can't get it to focus, but get the picture, man. Get the picture. So now I'm gonna push these back, wire that up to the positive up here, and we're gonna have positive connection and do the same thing with the black wire, man. And after that, I'm gonna show y'all the SRT light. All right, YouTube, we got everything installed, man. It should be on right now, even though, you know, it's daylight, so you can't see it, but see that light on? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on, let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. Where you at? There you go. Light is on. Hell yeah. Working with the what you call the lights. I'm gonna shut these off. Boom. And it's dying out. It's dying out, man. Yes, sir. It's dying out. Dying out. Now it's dead. Alright, see the lights on. Turn the lights back on. Hold on, matter of fact, no, yeah, turn the lights back on. Full power. Bam. You feel me? Full power, man. Yes, sir, man. Y'all probably want to see it in the y'all probably want to see it. The SRT light hitting the ground. I'm gonna let y'all see it right now, man. Hold on. Next video, y'all.
Young Mad, baby.